Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a group chat on Character AI on your phone, and it doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or your tablet or Android or any other phone. It works on every other device. Okay, you have to open your web browser on your phone, and after that go to the Character AI website. Sign in with your account in the Character AI website. Once logged into your account, what you have to do is click on create. If you don't see create a room button from this create section, what you have to do is you have to change the URL a little bit, just a little bit. From here, from character.ai, you have to change it to old.character.ai. That's it. It will take some time for the verification. Click on verify if you are human. Once verified, the old Character AI website will open. You have to click on accept. From here, I will click on the create on the bottom center. From here, you will see an option called create a room. A new page will open called create a room. From here, I can set any name of my room, for example, my first group room, and I can add characters. From this list, you can add any character, or you can also add multiple characters by typing the @ of each character individually. Okay, after that you can also select any topic of the room and click on create it, and that's how you can create a group chat on Character AI on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.